It's a nice breeze, isn't it? Look at that sea. Yeah. Woo! Good.
Look at my shoe print.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, maybe that.
Well, hello everyone and welcome to the beautiful Goombay Cultural Centre. My name is Jade and it is great to see so many familiar faces here today. Now, if you're here for Rush a Junkanoo Celebration, you're in the right place because the Charisma Junkanoo group are about to rush. Now that means parading in Junkanoo. They're going to be starting at the tram drop-off and ending right here at the Goombay Cultural Centre. Now there is no need to move because you will have the best spot on the island. Trust me. Now the Junkanoo group are going to be beginning to rush very soon, so make sure you're listening out for the sound of Junkanoo. Now, did anyone here just come to the Sights and Sound of Junkanoo workshop? We did? Amazing. Well, you're going to be hearing and seeing everything you learned about in action. And don't worry, if you didn't make it to the first workshop, we have another one at 1:15 right here in the Goombay Cultural Centre for you all. It is called the Sights and Sounds of Junkanoo workshop. I am so excited for all of you to experience Junkanoo. Now, Junkanoo is the National Cultural Festival of the Bahamas, and it was named a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity for 2023. It's pretty impressive. Junkanoo has roots leading back to Africa, and it is a joyous celebration of music, craftsmanship, and of life. So, who is ready for Junkanoo? Amazing. I'm going to need your help to kick this thing off. We are going to be counting down from 5 to 1. So, are you all ready? Yeah. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the rush begin, everybody. Yes, you are going to hear them long before you see them. So, ready?
Junkanoo! Junkanoo! Junkanoo!
Yes, you have got it. Now, we're going to be listening out for the sound of when they arrive, and when you see them, I want to be hearing that chant. So keep listening out for the heartbeat, everyone, because I can hear it coming now. They are on their way, and I want to see you all dancing along as well. Because here we go.
Junkanoo! Junkanoo!
I've been practicing, Melinda, just for you. Now, as you can see here, we have got all the bright, beautiful colours of the Junkanoo costumes, and they are handcrafted, and they're just absolutely stunning. So, can you tell us a little bit more about this beautiful headpiece?
Yeah.
So my headpiece here is made of cardboard.
It's made of cardboard. Amazing.
Our coloring, we use crepe paper and tricks. We call it tricks.
You call it tricks?
Feathers.
Feathers? Feathers, rhinestones, glitter, anything that gives it a bling. So you like it to be shiny is what we're saying. Oh my goodness, can we hear that heartbeat coming, everyone? They are on their way. Let's get those hands clapping. I want to see you all dancing out there as well. All right, when you see them, we're going to show them what we've learned with our chant. Let's have one final practice. Here we go. Ooh, ooh.
Junkanoo!
Ooh, ooh.
Junkanoo!
of applause. Thank you all so much for joining us for Rush, a Junkanoo Celebration. My name is Jade, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of your day here at the beautiful Lookout Cay. Bye, everyone!
Bye. Is that good?
Yeah.
Have a nice little boogie.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.